Today I'm going to teach you how to export select from Affinity Designer. This is a useful technique when you only want to export a specific element from your design rather than the entire canvas, saving you time and keeping your exported files clean and focused. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the program opens, go ahead and open your existing file or create a new file. Now that you have your workspace ready, click on the object you want to export, whether it's text or an image. This selection is crucial because it tells Affinity Designer exactly which element you want to isolate and export. Next, in the upper left toolbar, click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Export, then click Export again. This will open up the Export Settings window where you can configure how you want your selected object to be saved. In the left sidebar of this export window, you'll see a variety of format options available to you. These include JPEG, PNG, GIF, TIFF, SVG, EPS, PDF, PSD, EXR, and several others. Each format serves different purposes, so choose your preferred option based on what you need the exported file for. For example, PNG is great for maintaining transparency, while JPEG works well for photographs. Now here's the key step. In the right panel of the export settings, navigate to Area. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down menu and select Selection Only. This ensures that only the object you initially clicked on will be exported, rather than the entire canvas or artboard. This is what makes this method so efficient for exporting individual elements. Once you've confirmed that selection only is chosen, click Export. A file browser window will now open up, allowing you to select where you want to save your exported file. Navigate to the folder or location where you'd like to store this file. If needed, you can rename the title in the file name field to something more descriptive that helps you identify it later. Finally, click Save. Your selected object will now be exported as a separate file in the format and location you specified. And there you have it. You've successfully exported a specific selection from Affinity Designer without having to export your entire project. This workflow is perfect for when you need to quickly extract individual elements from complex designs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.